joined today by a renowned celebrity chef, James Beard and Emmy Award-winning, best-selling author, and good friend of mine, right? Please give a warm round of applause for Ming Tsai. Welcome, my man.
Thank you.
So what are you making?
Well, it's fall, right?
Absolutely.
So we're gonna make a fallish dish. It's gonna be a crispy squash wonton, kabocha squash wonton with shiitakes and a little bit of vinegar glazed with pomegranate flambe.
That is East meets West, right?
It's East meets West.
It's so relevant. Both your restaurants now, how old are they? Blue Ginger?
Blue Ginger's 18 going on 19, and Blue Dragon is now 2.
So relevant. Tell me a place in New York City or any city in the country that East meets West is not the rage. Everything is about Chinese, Japanese cuisine, fusion with Mediterranean, everything. That's what it's about.
I tell everyone this. Learn Chinese because we're taking over. I'm just saying. Hablo español, sí, no problema, but
I'm sorry I mentioned that. Let's start. Right. What do you have going?
So scoop the squash out. Okay. This has just been halved and roasted.
What's this called?
Kabocha.
Kabocha. It's beautiful.
Right. It's nice. It's a little bit warm. In here, we already have shiitake mushrooms that were sautéed.
Shiitake?
Shiitake.
Not shiitake?
No, 2 eyes. Shiitake. Has garlic, ginger, chopped and chilled.
Okay.
Right, because you want it cold. Then we're going to add just a little bit of butter.
Ming is a good substitute for your cool squash, maybe acorn or butternut.
All squash, butternut squash, even spaghetti squash if you chop it up. It's a little bit harder to wrap, but all squash would work.
So is this on your menu, this dish?
It is. You know what? I'm actually doing this as an app. There's a great function coming up that we're doing called Cooking Live, and this is going to be the appetizer we're serving.
Oh, what's that all about?
So my charity is called Family Reach. Well, we provide a financial lifeline for families who have a child with cancer. Right? If you really think it through, you have 2 parents. One parent has to stop working. You got to take the kid to the the hospital, get all the treatment. Before you know it, the bills pile up.
Yeah, the
credit
bills
cards pile up. First, let me show you how you do this, brother.
Oh, please.
Like this, a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Little egg wash.
So it's just shiitake,
squash, butter, salt, pepper,
and ginger.
And, ginger and garlic in the shiitake.
What do you mean? Hold on a second. You're going really fast here.
Make a triangle.
Triangle.
So you fold it, then you bring it
You put it under.
Right.
Ming, I want to hear more about your charity.
So Family Reach, we get the funds to these families. We pay them directly. Their social oncology works. We're in 33 hospitals. I'm now the president of their National Board of Advisors.
Wow, good for you.
I've been there 5 years now. And the reason I got so involved is I met this family, single mom. So think about that. And the poor kid, Michaela, had cancer.
How's that?
She had savings. It worked. He was in remission. It came back. She was broke. They end up homeless.
Oh, terrible.
2 years in a homeless shelter while getting chemo radiation. Oh. And then the kicker was a doctor told Raquel, your son needs a bone marrow transplant to live. They said, unfortunately, we can't administer it because it won't stick because of sanitary conditions. Sorry. So that's when Family Reach walked in and says, no, that's baloney. Here's your apartment back for a year. And now this kid is 9 years old. He just celebrated his 5th year anniversary of remission. Wow. And he hugs me every time I see him.
Oh, that's
nothing better than that. So here we had vinegar syrup out of it. We reduced down for syrup. And here we're going to take some pomegranate. We're going to do a little rum flambe. All right?
Uh-oh.
Heat this up.
Wow.
This is from Barbados.
Oh, I love it.
12-year-old rum. I love it.
I love this. We're flambeing Barbadian rum.
Get this hot.
We're making Asian wontons. We're all over the place.
So the coolest thing, in a couple of days, November 2nd, at the Ritz-Carlton Battery Park, we're doing Cooking Live with Ming Tsai and friends. We got Morimoto-san, we have Ken Oranger, we got Bryce Schumann, Johnny Uzzini, and our 2 celebrity sous chefs, John Krasinski and Emily Blunt.
They're the best. Oh, I'm so jealous.
And the coolest thing we're doing is we're doing a live streaming. Because only 106 people get to see this event and try the food, but it's going to be live streamed so people can not only see the coolness and the entertainment and read about the stories, they can also donate. But let me show you the coolest thing here. This is our app. So these are certified families. You can go to this family, you can learn all about family struggles with photos, but then you can hit donate. So everyone watching on the live streaming can also donate.
I'm there.
Wow.
That
cool? You feel like you're really doing something, right?
Okay, let's take this up.
Wow.
We'll do it like this.
These cooked so quickly.
They're great. And you know what? Because it's vegetables, you don't need to worry about it.
So what do you do with the sauce? You just drizzle it?
We're going to drizzle it on.
I have to confess, I sometimes use wonton papers to make ravioli.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're kidding me?
I boil instead of fry.
Very versatile.
So this is vinegar syrup with a little bit of ginger. And here we have...
It smells amazing.
I use this spoon here. I'll use that
here.
spoon again.
Here you go.
Oh, you guys got everything. So now this has this Barbadian rum, right?
Wow.
Pretty.
So pretty. These are perfect for fall.
Can I taste?
Yes, please taste.
Oh, God.
Go.
This is very fancy.
It's hot. Be careful.
Easy.
Man, watch
Jeez.
No, they're not that hot.
Let's get him down here.
All right. Oh my God.
Look at that.
That is
Look at
genuinely
that.
East Meets
Wow.
West. The squash and the crunch on the outside. You did it again.
Thanks, buddy.
You did it again. That is delicious. All of you can find this recipe on foodnetwork.com. Ming, we love having you here. Please come back anytime. We'll be right back.
Thank you.